Hey food lovers, if you think healthy eating has to be boring, then you need to think again. Today I'll be sharing on how to make this super easy and delicious one-pan chicken and vegetable stir fry. It's very easy to prepare and it's healthy, full of flavors and it's perfect for busy weekends. So let's get started. So I have some chicken pieces over here. I just go ahead and cut them into small bite size. Preferably you need to use chicken breast or any boneless part of the chicken. So I'll go ahead and season it up using some curry powder, seasoning powder, pepper and salt to taste. So I'll mix everything together to combine just to make sure that each chicken pieces is properly coated with the ingredients. I also love to add little oil just so the ingredients will be able to stick to the chicken. Okay, this is perfect now. I'll allow this to sit for about 15 minutes. It's 15 minutes already. I'll be transferring a little vegetable oil into my pan on low heat. Basically, you don't want to use too much oil for this recipe. Next, I'll be transferring the chicken chunks to it and allow it to cook on low heat. So while the chicken cooks, I'll just go ahead and prep the other vegetables. Just in case you're coming across this channel for the first time, I'm Joy by name, and in this channel I share recipes on how to make a healthy meal, juice and also smoothies. So please kindly click the subscribe button down below and turn on the bell notification so you can be instantly notified whenever I upload new amazing recipes just like this. Be sure to like, share it with your friends and loved ones, and leave me a comment in the comment section. Thank you very much. So this is 7 minutes later and our chicken is perfectly cooked. As you can see, it has browned up and it's properly cooked from the inside as well. So just remove it all from the heat and set aside. Also reducing the vegetable oil as well. So to make the one-pan chicken and vegetable stir fry, I'll be transferring some diced onion into the pan alongside with ginger and garlic just for flavor building and allow it to fry. Okay, the onion is perfectly fried. I'll go ahead and add the veggies to it. I'm actually adding carrots and peas first because they are quite strong. Then mix everything together and allow it to cook for about 3 minutes. So after about 3 minutes, I'll be adding the fried chicken and bell pepper. I'm actually using a combination of red, yellow and green bell pepper. So I'll go ahead and stir fry everything together on low heat just so the vegetables cool wilt a little bit. You can actually choose to season up everything now using little salt and seasoning powder. But I'm actually not adding anything because our chicken was properly seasoned at first. So I'll stir fry everything together as I said on very low heat. So after 2 extra minutes, our one-pan chicken and vegetable stir fry is pretty much ready. If you notice that no overcook the veggies in order to retain the nutrients and vibrant color. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying out this healthy meal option. You can choose to enjoy yours with rice, spaghetti, potato, yam, just any meal of your choice. Thank you very much for watching. Please kindly subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Like, share and leave me a comment in the comment section. Until I come your way next time, do remember to always eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye bye.